Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So yeah, Judah said she was ready just now, but she's still taking photos. So I'm gonna bring down these stuff right now and we're gonna head out. We wanted to go to Spanish Bridge, but just a little travel tip, especially when it's during a public holiday. There are certain parts of Jamaica that you might not want to go during that particular period of time. Give me a second. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, there's some places that you might not want to go a particular period of time. For example, like the falls, the beaches, you do not want to go to those places because it's going to be a lot more crowded. If you don't mind the crowds, no problem. Especially if it's a free entrance kind of place, locals are going to use it a lot. So we had two choices, which were Spanish Bridge or going to Dunn Falls. I've been to Dunn Falls before. If you want to see full coverage of me, my mom and my sister, well, me and my sister climbing the entire falls, that's in that video. I will not be videoing that today. I'm going to do different kind of videos there. But Spanish Bridge is, how far away? It was about a 40-minute drive just to go there, so we'd be losing pretty much like 2 hours of our day, which makes no sense. I've never been to Dunn Falls with Judah before, so we're gonna go there today. And the cool part with the tree house here is that it's only about 11 minutes away from Dunn Falls. It's 15 minutes away from the heart of Ocho Rios, so right here is a very good stay. I did drop a video on that, maybe like about 2 videos back, so you guys can look at the full review of the treehouse and all that it has to offer. But anyway, Judah is still up there, and let me just go in the car and just rev that engine. Alright guys, as you can see, we're at Dunn Falls. It was a bit crowded. Not like massive crowd, but like there are people here, of course. Ticket pricing, if you haven't watched the other video, for locals is $1,000, but make sure that you have your Jamaican or your national ID and you'll get it for $1,000. If you're not, it's gonna be $3,400, something like that. Yeah, bear in mind, locals, the whole idea that they have here is that they try to get locals to use the facilities, because if it was still $3,000 for us to pay as locals, maybe you'd have less people coming here. And of course, it's a business, they want to keep the place occupied, and right now I see a lot of locals. If I were to give you a percentage rating, I would say there's probably like 85% locals right now and the rest internationals. Alright, so where we're currently entering from, we're going to be entering from the beach side. Well, I'm not going to the falls, that's for sure. I've done it already. Plus, I don't have any waterproof cameras, so yeah, as I said, you can see it in another video. But it first takes you down all the way down to the beach. That's where you start from. So the cool part with it here, they have many viewing decks. So if you don't have a waterproof camera, you can always have your family member up here who has done it before. Like my mom did last time. She wasn't really watching. She wasn't in the falls with us at all, but she was, you know, taking videos for us and whatever. So if you don't want to go in the falls, you can always view at different locations. So this is one here, and there's probably like 3 more going along the way up to see your family at different points. Alright, so exactly what I said, there's going to be quite a few more people here than normal. When I first came here, I came here early in the morning and not so many people. I never knew the beach was this long, but it travels like quite a bit across, and still people. Alright, so we just went into the seawater for a bit. Nothing spectacular, nothing special. Judah took 1,000,001 photos. I have proof. I'm gonna show you guys them.
Your girl's cute.
So we got some drone shots as well to show you, like, you know, what in the perspective from above, like, you know, how many people are here. There's a lot. And yeah, but if you want to come here and get more of a, how can I say, like a calmer vibe, come here when it's not a holiday. Not a holiday, and you'll be good.
It's there. We'll shut down. Alright, loose what I'm holding there. Go! Yes, relax. I'll take me there. Take me there. No, move it. Move it. Move it. Take me there. Drink. Watch out. Yes. Drink. So, my lady, give me an iPad. Give me a little iPad. I'll bet you. Just bust. Alright, so ladies, guess what? The light on the step away from the table. People want to give me like a spark of space. Yeah. I want to say sparse in English, you know, 300. See? Want to give me like a space.
Straight to go by yourself. Alright, cool. Alright. Go in the water. Come on. Babe, come on. You can do it. Ready? bag of all that cream right now. Alright guys, so we left Dunn's Falls. I almost fell. You guys saw you guys saw that? Yeah, just we just left Dunn's Falls, had the ice cream just now. Oh, and met a Chinese subscriber, which was really cool. He was from Guangzhou, which is really awesome. So if you're watching this video, yeah. But yeah, so we're now in the town of Ocho Rios. So what we're gonna do is to Judah's gonna get me lunch today. It's gonna be awesome, and we're gonna search for something to eat. So I'll catch you guys on that video. Remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.